There can be a whole story just in a face. It comes from the eyes. You can see a lot in the eyes. You've got to be always very responsive to what's going on. Keep thinking, keep looking.
I wanna climb, I wanna dive into the deep. I wanna run, I wanna fly, but doing it with you. Finding the love.
This is the motor. This is the controller. This is the sensor shield. And this is the servo motor.
Servo.
And this is the ultrasonic sensor.
Hi, my name is Kenyan. I'm in grade 4. I'm from Robotics Club. This is an automatic dustbin. As you can see here, we have an ultrasonic sensor. Here we have a servo motor, and inside the bin we have a Uno controller. I'm going to demonstrate how it works. When you put your hand
That's one. Which one?
Keep thinking, keep looking.
I wanna climb, I wanna dive into the deep. I wanna run, I wanna fly, but doing it with you. Finding the love, see the rest of the world, the same as we do. I wanna stay here. Cool.